I blocked you on Facebook because you're a fucking psycho bitch. Psycho bitch.
Quick review of the tactical holographic ACOG sight. As you can see, we put it on our 416. It looks great. As soon as we put it, it took us a long time to do a review on this ACOG because we didn't have any batteries. We tried going to Batteries Plus and they didn't have any for this, and then we just ordered them online for like $3. It was a really good deal, and it actually worked. So this is the ACOG right here. This was around $40. Alright, right here, let me get to focus. You guys might not be able to see the numbers, but there's numbers right here. It goes up to 5, and there's red dot and green dot. So 5 is the highest brightness, and then 1 is the lowest brightness. And there's little caps on the side. There's one on top, or up and down when you're sighting this ACOG, and on the side it's left and right. And there's also an iron sight right here. So just in case you don't want to use the red dot, green dot, you can use the iron sight. And these are the bolts to screw it on the rail. It's pretty secure on the tactical rail. No problems there. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks real fast. So here's the iron sight right here. It's really nice, has a white dot at the end. And here is the red dot and green dot. And here is the red dot. It's really nice, you can easily see it, and it's really accurate on this gun, by the way. I'm going to show you the green dot now. Here's the green dot right here. This is used for nighttime. It's really nice. And here's another brief overview of the ACOG. Overall, it's really nice. We did an airsoft war the other day, and we recorded it, but the kid didn't record it right, so I couldn't upload it. So we're gonna do an airsoft war next upcoming days. So we'll record that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And this has been a review of the Full Metal. Oh, by the way, this is Full Metal holographic ACOG sight.
Tax the rich, feed the poor, till they are never rich no more.